In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up instant triggers for Google Forms with Make.com. We'll start by getting your Google form ready. Create your form as usual, then make sure responses are linked to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. In Google Forms, open the Responses tab and choose to create or select a response destination. This automatically builds a spreadsheet with a worksheet dedicated to your form entries. Keep the headers and structure intact, since Make.com will rely on them to read each new submission. Next, head over to Make.com and create a new scenario. Think of a scenario as your automation workspace. Once you're in the scenario editor, search for Google Sheets and add it as your first module. Choose the Watch New Rows trigger. This tells Make to look for new rows added to your response spreadsheet every time someone submits your form. Now, connect Google Sheets to Make.com. Sign in with the same Google account that owns or has access to the response spreadsheet. When prompted, pick the exact spreadsheet linked to your form. After that, select the specific worksheet where the responses land. It's typically named something like Form Responses 1, but yours might be different depending on how you set it up. Before saving, choose where to start. Select the most recent response so Make begins monitoring from this point forward and doesn't reprocess older entries. Then click Save to lock in those settings. With the trigger ready, add your action module. This is what you want to happen the moment a new row appears. For example, you could add Gmail to send an email confirmation, Airtable to create a record, or Slack to post a message. Map the fields from your Google Sheets columns to the fields in your chosen app so the right data flows through. It's time to test. Submit a fresh response through your Google form. Then in Make.com, click Run Once. You should see the new row get pulled in and your action fire. If nothing happens, double-check that you selected the correct spreadsheet and worksheet, that your headers exist, and that you saved your scenario. Finally, turn on your scenario. Click Save and enable it. From now on, every new Google Form submission will automatically trigger your workflow and run the actions you configured, giving you near-instant updates without manual checks. That's it. Your Google form now powers an automated, real-time workflow in Make.com. Thanks for watching.